B&M gang, welcome to the channel. This your boy Brandon. Yeah, that's right, the coolest YouTuber ever. And I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing showing you guys more of the angles that it can really do, showing you guys how it feels on the lap, lapability, just multiple angles on my lap, on the floor, and give you guys more of my thoughts and opinions. Because a lot of you guys left a lot of comments and add with a lot of questions. And I want to go over them right now. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Yeah, so I just want to give you guys a quick updated video on the keyboard. Pretty much like a 24-hour later kind of video, because I pretty much had it at this point 24 hours playing with it heavy, play with it all through the night. And this is the real magic keyboard. It really is. From the typing experience to the lapability to just the multiple viewing angles to the function roll keys. And someone left a comment saying this was not really for the Apple Pencil. It was for the Logitech Crayon. And they're correct. It is for the Logitech Crayon, but you can store the Apple Pencil in this little, let me show you guys. In this little, let me get a pen actually. Let me show you. to show you guys a demonstration. It should work. It's a regular little pen. It should work just to get this through here. Yeah, so you can just, I don't have an Apple Pencil, but you can see how that is, and then you can close it. And this is how the Apple Pencil or your Logitech crayon would be, like this. This is like for more safekeeping. That's how it would be. I know it's a pen that looks funny, but this is for more safety. So you can store it there, or you can just keep the Apple Pencil here charging, or you might be able to, you should be able to get both. If you had the Logitech crayon and the Apple Pencil, you can probably use both. Yeah, just like tablet mode, I guess. Then this part kind of like got a magnet that locks this from really going anywhere. Like it really don't move around anywhere. And then, like I showed you in the other video, you can't do nothing. Nothing's moving. Nothing's typing. Let me go to something that actually has typing. Nothing's typing. Let me delete that so you guys can see there's nothing being typed. You have to use this keyboard to actually type something, not this one. So my thoughts after like pretty much 24 hours, it was well worth the 160. And people kept asking in the comments, because I read every comment and I respond to every comment. So if you leave a comment, I'm definitely going to get to it and respond to it very fast. But people was asking me in the comments, they wanted to know where I got it from. I got it from the Apple Store. And excuse that noise if you hear it. I guess it's the airplane going past. But yeah, I got it from the Apple Store. I ordered it on Friday. It came Saturday. Well, I went to go pick it up from the Apple Store Saturday. And yeah, they had them in. And I think they only had 2 in, I think, when I went to the Apple Store. But yeah, they had them in. I don't think Logitech is have none in. I think they may even be on like back order Logitech and Best Buy. I know they don't have them yet. Amazon, I don't think Amazon have it either, but the Apple Store have it. So if you want to buy it, your closest Apple Store may be your best bet. And mine said I could either have it delivered and had it next week, Wednesday, something like Tuesday, Wednesday, and I wanted it, ASAP. When you want something, you want it right then and there. You don't want to wait. But I don't have no gripes or complaints. Even when I said the little keyboard felt like hard at the top, it's the trackpad is so nice. It's just like the Magic Keyboard. Like you won't notice no difference. The trackpad is great. Keyboard travel is just great. The keyboard in general is just great. The viewing angles is amazing. That's the #1 thing I love the most, probably is the viewing angles. Because I could put this thing on my lap like you've seen. I can take it outside. I could take it on the desk. I could put it on the floor. I could take it anywhere and do anything with it. And it's perfect. And it's not heavy. A lot of people ask me, was it heavy, bulky? To me, it's not. The Apple Magic Keyboard it's about the same to me. I really can't tell the difference. I mean, if you have both and you may be able to tell the difference, this may be heavier, or the Apple Magic Keyboard may be heavier. I'm not really sure. But for the price, what it do, the function roles, the protection, this is the best case that they make for your iPad Pro 11-inch. Yeah, just everything, just the feel of this. Like doesn't matter how sweaty or oily your fingers are, it doesn't get any fingerprints. No fingerprints. And someone else asked me in the comments, how is it typing? If you're on your lap and you type kind of hard, it doesn't move. It doesn't move. You can put it into an angle that's, that kind of locks it into place. So if you have it on your lap and you typing kind of hard, it's not going nowhere. Unless you're banging on it, that's a little different. But yeah, I just wanted to go over a few people questions, and pretty much everybody asked me the same thing. How is the, on your lap? How is like the key travel? How is do it seem like this material is durable? It definitely is. It seems like it's going to last for years if you plan on keeping it that long. Someone else said they wish they came in black. Me too. That would have been very nice. Probably easier to clean because it's great. It's a great material. It may get dirty, maybe not. I don't think it's going to get too dirty over time. I don't think so. But I think Logitech did a great job. Even the buttons feel awesome. We started the video by doing that. But the buttons feel awesome. It has the wake function. I don't know if you see that. Let's see. The wake function, it closed. You got that. It has it's not missing anything from protection to a great keyboard. That's the thing you want. When you're buying a keyboard, especially for college students, or you just, you work on a lot of papers or something, you want, number one is the keyboard experience. Number two is the trackpad. Number three is if you accidentally drop it off a table or something, is it going to be protected? And this has everything. And the Magic Keyboard is just lacking a few things at that price. I wish I had like maybe another USB to charge it. That way this USB would be free. This USB-C would be free, but it doesn't, you can't have everything. This is 160 and you get everything else. That's one thing the Magic Keyboard do have, is an extra USB, and that's only for charging though. That's not for, data, sync or anything like that, or data transfer or anything. But, my kind of like 24-hour opinion is it's great. It's great. It's worth every bit of 160. If it was 200, I would buy it. If it was a little over that, you start getting into I still would buy this over the Magic Keyboard. If this was $350 and the Magic Keyboard was $350, I still would go with this. Like I said, I'm not knocking the Magic Keyboard because it is an awesome, keyboard case. So if that's, something you like, it's awesome. It's just, for me, I like protection. I like the function rows. I like that. I could be able to put, the crayon here or the Apple Pencil, secure it. Don't feel like, if it's in a bag, it's going to come out. And the Apple Magic Keyboard just don't have that. So I definitely recommend it. I recommend everyone who has the iPad Pro 11-inch, go get it. Experience it for yourself. You're going to love it. And if you guys want me to do any more videos, on here, whether it's a 72-hour with it, a week with it, just let me know. Leave a comment. And like I said before, I do read every comment and I respond back very fast, because that's one thing as a YouTuber and somebody who watches YouTube videos, I don't like when I leave a comment and it takes them a week or two to respond, or if they ever respond. I'm going to always respond to every comment that I can. And, you guys ask me a question, I'm going to respond to it very fast. Because I know if you guys want to buy something, you don't have a week to wait. You want to know right then and there if it does exactly what you needed to do so you can go buy it. Because if not, what's the point of you even watching the video if they don't tell you or respond to you in a fast, fashionable way, So, but anyway, this your boy, Brandon. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the comments on the first video. Thank you for all the support you gave me already on this channel. Even though this is my wife and this is me and my wife's channel, and we do like funny vlogs and pranks and stuff like that. Every so often, I'm gonna do tech videos, unless you guys want me to do them more. Because I don't know if you really was watching the first video, but I have a million products I can review, and I buy a million products. So yeah, leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if y'all can give me to 1,000 subscribers, I can do more videos for you guys, put them out faster. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like,
make sure you comment,
and hit that subscribe button to join B&M gang.